Good morning, guys. It's Cynthia, the fishing mommy, and I am about to embark on my maiden voyage with my new boat. I'm so excited. I have it hooked up to the truck and did all my safety checks. I'm pretty confident that everything is good, stable, and I did my walk around of the boat, checked all my tires, checked my lights, and checked my straps, made sure that I have the plug, check my fuel system, check my oil, and I think I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna hop in the truck, make a pretty short drive, and I'll see you guys there. Very busy. Okay guys, here it is, the maiden voyage, such as it is. I am on the water, and the engine started. It was a little reluctant, had a little bit of oil to burn in there, but here we are, we're out on the water. I'm gonna make this a pretty short cruise, just kind of getting familiar with the boat. My electronics are not turning on, so that's not really a big shocker, but I'm gonna have to obviously fix that. And so yeah, here we are. I'll check in with you guys in a bit. That guy's got places to go. I'm trying to stay really far away from the boats. There are a lot of boats out here. Well, this engine definitely needs a tune-up, and I know the guy to take it to. I've got it wide open, and I am doing nothing. It's at 2,000 RPM, so obviously needs some work. Okay, I guess I didn't have it wide open when I thought I did. Let's try that again. Y'all, I do not know what I'm doing. Thank God that there's no lanes or cars to hit or anything. Wow. It's a Wednesday morning about 10 a.m. and my thinking was that the ramp wouldn't be busy or anything at this time of day. Thankfully, there was a kind gentleman named Bill who helped me put the boat in, and I'm very, very grateful to him for that. Okay, I'm trimmed all the way down. Now I'm trimmed up a little bit. Awesome. Okay, this is cool. I'm happy. All right, do I dare to shut it off? I don't know. some of these rocks. I'm debating Well, my engine won't start, and I'm anchored up right now, so I'm safe. I'm not going to drift into anything, but it's obviously, you know, pretty concerning because I'm out here on this lake and my engine won't start. Right now I'm just throwing around the lure and trying to figure out what to do. I have an update. I called a local marina, and they do have a boat that is out on the water, can hopefully come and help me, either get me started or tow me back to the ramp. So that's great news, much appreciated, and God only knows what this is going to cost, but at least I won't be living here on this lake for the next 5 years with one protein bar and a lot of water. So that's good news. I am going to save my battery, and I will be back with you guys later. I guess I'm going to fish for a while in the meantime while I wait for them. My husband wants to know if I decided not to paddle. I told him I'm a little bit out of shape for that. It's about 70 degrees. And the phone is ringing. Hello?
Hi, Cynthia.
Hi.
Hi. So I just talked to Jeremy. He is out on the lake. He's currently in the middle of a dock install, so it's going to be just a little while. But
No problem.
He's happy to come out and help you see what's going on, so you can get you started. The thing is, it is going to be a $175 service call.
Uh-huh.
So what I would need in order to make this happen is I would just need a credit card so I could charge that.
Never a dull moment. See, it's trying hard. I think I smell gas. Do you smell that?
Yeah. You can see it in the water.
Really?
How's the primer feel? It's hard. I think it's just flooded.
Yeah, but it's been like this for 2.5 hours. Oh yeah, I do see gas out there. Oil. Yeah, something. Oh. What the?
Going now.
So what did you do?
You press the center button in here and touch it forwards, it revs it up in neutral. Because it was flooded, I pushed it all the way open. So
It was flooded?
Yeah. You can see all the gas and oil in the water here.
Yeah, I mean,
All that black stuff, yeah.
do you think that I need to check my lines, my fuel lines, though? I mean,
Probably haven't checked, and yeah, and probably haven't
needs a tune-up.
and everything.
Yeah, I mean, this is the first time that I'm ever taking this boat out, obviously. And I just bought it like 10 days ago, and it's 100 years old, you know. And I don't really, I don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah, you know, I mean,
it wouldn't be a bad idea to take it somewhere and have it serviced.
Yeah.
Because you can see all the stuff in the water, so it's definitely not running right.
Right.
I need spark plugs and carburetors done and everything like that.
Yeah. Okay.
It'll probably be fine.
Well, God, thank you. So what you did was pushing. What is that? Is that the choke?
No, that's just in gears if the shifter, so you can rev it up. So it takes it, so you can't put it in forward or neutral. It keeps it
Oh, got it.
so
okay.
You can rev it up and put more air in instead of fuel.
Okay.
You know, you're heading back to Lions Cove, right?
Yeah.
If you want to pull your anchor up and start heading back there, I'll follow you that way to make sure you don't
Oh,
break it
awesome.
again.
Thank you. Well, I guess sometimes you just have to know what to do. Can I follow you? Man, it's fun as hell when it works. Well, guys, I am in the car.
1/10 of a mile, turn right
And,
onto Candlewood Lake Road.
On my way home safely, thank goodness.
Turn
the boat
right
is
now.
in one piece. I am in one piece. Everything is pretty much as good as it could be at the moment. Knock on wood. Certainly not the smoothest maiden voyage I could have imagined, but honestly not that far off of what I might have expected with a 37-year-old boat. I'm honestly fortunate that it got started running again. It didn't want to start up at the ramp when I was trailering it, but we managed to make it work, mostly because 3 guys decided to help me and be awesome. So shout out to you guys, random guys in Candlewood Lake. I really, really appreciate the help. That was definitely solid. They were climbing all over the place and winching my boat up by hand because I
1/4 mile,
wouldn't
keep
turn
right.
over. So thank you to everybody today who helped me. It was quite an experience, and what I have learned is that this engine seriously needs a tune-up. All right, I'm going to put the phone down now so that I can drive safely and get home to my family. Hey everybody, well, it's a couple of days later, and obviously I did make it home safely, so that's good news. I want to thank you guys for hanging in there watching this video with me for the eventful maiden voyage of my new old boat. Go ahead and leave me comments if you think you know what's going on with that engine and why it would be behaving like this. I do have a local friend here who's very mechanically inclined. He's going to come over tomorrow, actually, and help me try to troubleshoot it. I suspect after talking to him for a while and doing some research that it's probably just as simple as some dirty carburetors. At least I hope that's what it is. I took the engine cowling off today and looked in there, and even though I don't really know what I'm looking at, what I will say is that the engine looks sparkling clean. I mean, I was honestly amazed at how good it looks. And there's nothing obviously wrong going on in there, but again, I'm not a mechanic and I'm not that mechanically inclined, so who knows what I'm looking at. Worst case scenario, it's going to be a few weeks before I can get someone to look at it who's a professional, but I'm hoping it doesn't actually come to that. I think Christian really knows what he's doing, and hopefully he can help out so that I can bring you guys lots more boat content and hopefully catch a fish on the thing sometime really soon. In the meantime, thank you again for watching. I'm going to be doing more projects on the boat, including literally rewiring the entire thing. So definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow along with me as I'm cleaning up the ODB, the old dirty boat, and making it serviceable and safe and fun for us all to enjoy family time on. Thank you again for watching, and I will catch you later.